Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you are welcome. Today we're going to learn how to use the Hotfix applicator. You plug in the Hotfix applicator to your socket, the light is going to come on, and then you're going to get your rhinestone stones and put it on it. You press the Hotfix applicator on the rhinestone and keep using it to design the pattern on the fabric one after the other. The mouth of the Hotfix applicator comes in different sizes according to the stones that you want, so you can just switch it up anytime for good results. Either it's a pattern on the fabric or it's for embroidery, because it doesn't burn except it's net, and you should be careful using it on a very light fabric. Do well to make sure that your Hotfix applicator is hot before pressing it on the rhinestone, because if it's not hot, the rhinestones are going to be falling off and we don't want that. Some people use iron for placing their rhinestones on their fabric, but I prefer the Hotfix applicator because it's safer, because in the case of iron it may end up burning the fabric. Thank you so much for watching. Do also like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.